And large-scale tea producers in the counties of Nandi and Kericho say they have lost about 30 million shillings since August 2024 due to illegal plucking of green leaf from their tea farms. Kenya Tea Growers Association chairperson, that is Silas Njibwakale, is concerned about increasing cases of invasion of tea farms owned by large-scale tea factories, citing Sitoi Estate in Nandi County and Sambret Estate in Kericho County.
Association chairperson says the invaders have been stealing the green leaf from about 200 acres. He says the stolen green leaf is costing the affected tea factories in lost revenue.
Initially, they were on one corner of the estate covering a small area, but they seem now to be getting emboldened and covering more and more area, about 200 hectares. We have tried to follow where they're selling the leaf. I would like to inform you that EATTA have already written to its members, all those who buy and process tea for the Mombasa auction, and told them not to buy illegal tea from Sitoi.
He is urging the government to urgently ramp up efforts in apprehending the criminals behind the illegal invasion of prime parcels of land, including the Sitoi airstrip, theft and damage to investments.
If the invasion, theft and damage to private investments by organized crime syndicates is allowed to continue, the potential ramifications for local security, the rule of law and investment are dire. If not stopped forthwith, this illegal activity will be an affront to the rule of law and the integrity of the courts.
The tea and coffee subsectors account for 23% of Kenya's total exports and supports over 5 million livelihoods, including 650,000 farmers.